We don't have engine. And I have a feeling that this won't be fun. Why is never fun? We will build waste tank custom so that we don't use the space that we need for storage.
I can't give you diamonds or pearls, hand on the moon and take you traveling the world, but I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die. I'll give you all of what I've got, but fancy things, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.
So you are hooked up right now on a backstay with the wires and everything, okay? So hopefully everything will stay there. So, but the shake, it's from the rigging and the wind, okay? That's not for me. Now, this is the deal. We need to push this boat, physically push, no engine, nothing. Behind this boat, we got sailboat there with the mast. And then we will hide, that's my friend Chris, hi Chris. And then we will hide on Chris' boat, and then we need to go to pick up Dimitri's boat, and maybe we'll thing here on the other side, and then we will do with the halyards, we will raise the mast and drop it down. This, we don't have engine. It's a little bit complicated to go in a marina. Somebody need to pull me. Or a crane. We don't need a crane. Why we need a crane? We don't need a crane. So this is how you figure out how to do something. Okay, thanks to Chris, we did an awesome job. See you in a couple of minutes.
Hello, Dimitris. He's helping us.
Hey, Ronnie.
Oh, that was stressful. Oh.
Hey. Hey, what's up? Good job, man.
Oh, thank you so much.
Don't worry. We finished work today. It's Friday. Yesterday we dropped the mast. The stick is down. We good today. Take a rest a little bit after work. Now it's 5:52. We're going in a marina now and to do the work on the mast, continuing removing everything from the mast. So the goal is to clear out everything from the mast to make a plan what to buy new for the mast. Now the progress need to be continuing because tomorrow we need to cut the wood for a bulkhead. That's one of the reasons we're removing that mast. Okay, now I'll show you what are we doing. Sorry for the noise. See how to position this. Okay, now I remove this screws and this screws that's holding that's a mast plate, so it's holding that mast plate. Now we can, I think the best way for this is to make a line, take a template with the exact holes that I need for the screws that I just pull out, and then make a hash marks here on a couple of places and then cut on that line. So when I fill inside everything and put that, I need that to match the hash lines, and that will be exact fit what it was before, so that I could put the new screws on the same, so I could fill just the holes on the top and use them again, drill them and use them again, but fill all this fill with the holes fill with epoxy, thicken epoxy, and then make a new holes for the screws, but that epoxy will protect the core in the wood. Okay, so when you have a old boat with the old wires, they break in pretty much easy. Now we can start process on the inside. This is how this look. You see the paint? So the stripper working, doing good job here. That's my buddy Chris. You remember him? He helped me with the mast. Look at this. On? It's cool, huh?
That's awesome.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, you got it off. It's not even in bad shape.
No, it's in a solid, good shape,
That's
you know?
awesome.
Okay, so now this is a thing I need to, sorry for this, but I hit the head yesterday and I hit again. So, okay, now I need to remove this wall. And I have a feeling that this won't be fun. Why is never fun? It will be tricky here to bring all these walls and put them in because I have a couple walls more. Feeling like playing Tetris here. Well, like Tetris, this is hardcore Tetris. Whatever I do, doesn't matter, it's just bless me. Okay. Oh. Why I have a feeling that it's like I'm not doing anything, you know? I cut off and still doing anything. This feeling going like this and the floor going like this. Okay, good. Oh, happy. Everything is in. Okay, so this is done. This is done. That's it. This needs to be screwed on here. I will epoxy here and then screw, and then it will go trim around this corner here. I mean, I expect to do a little bit better this connection here, but it doesn't matter anyway. I will epoxy everything and screw and epoxy here because I want a really good connection with the ceiling, with everything. I want a good connection here. So, but I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. Okay, now I think I have a shape, like a shape, something. Let me try to figure out this. I need to build a box now. I need to build a box. We will build waste tank custom so that we don't use the space that we need for storage. That's the reason. I could buy the tank and install it, but I can't buy the tank for this hole. They don't have. I check all measurements. The point is just to use the space maximum that we can do. That's the main goal now. that's good. And that will sit like that. So, and then this section I need to build. So I need 2 of these, and then we need to do the bottom and top. Ta-da! Okay. That's the pieces. I put 2 layers on each of them. Now and then we will start connecting and filling corners and everything and putting the fiberglass in the corners inside. Okay. Both sides are done. One side 2 layers, outside 1 layer. And then when I connect, I will have a corners doubling everything. I put the fiberglass on both sides. On the inside, I put the 2 layers. On the outside, 1 layer of fiberglass. I put the micro balloons with the silica in the corners. I will start laying the strips. I need to cut the strips now and start laying the strips. When I finish with that, this is the top side. Then close the top. That's the deal with the top. Yeah. This is my guitar. What? Waste thing. Now let's check it out how it will fit. And then today fiberglassing and blah 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 the rest, but let's do it now. So I made this so that I could, when I drop in, that I could pull out, you know, like so. So you can see the hole is under. Okay, it's good. Come on, come on. Huh? So I think I explained with this a lot. I will make opening for cleaning, the pickup. That's it. I think this is cool. I'm satisfied with this. So the time that I spend for now for this is probably 1 hour, hour and a half with the coffee. Okay. So I need to find where I put the fiberglass and the resin, and then go home, take that tank and install that. This is kind of plain what we need to do for today. We need to cut the floors, so we need to remove all floors here and bring them here, and because we have a plan now, but when that plan can be changed when you put the board here and when you figure out how much board you can use actually visually, you know, like